My name's Jim Sherwood, and I own and operate Valley View Farm, which is partnered with McDonald Transport out of Dutton, Ontario. We transport livestock all over North America. We have a 3,000 PSI Alpha diesel-fired burner electric generator. We don't use chemicals, we use heat. And the problem that we would have in the trailers is pathogens. I've never had a farmer yet say your truck's too clean or your trailer's too clean. Biosecurity for us is of the utmost importance. That's why we use Easy-Kleen. So the best word about Easy-Kleen for us is spoiled. They spoil us. If I need something, they drop it off on the way home. And then all of a sudden there's an Easy-Kleen van in my dooryard and the unit is fixed and serviced and away we go. And the service is awesome. Are there any other brands? That would be my answer. There are no other brands.